Amy, a physical therapist at Orthopedic Associates of Naperville. Today I'm going to teach you some exercises for stretching and strengthening your ankle. The first several exercises will be done in standing. The rest can be done on a table or on your bed. The first one is to stretch a muscle called the gastroc. You're going to put the affected leg back with your toes forward, heel on the ground, and your knees straight. You're going to lean forward, holding onto a table, counter, or wall for balance. You're going to hold this position for 30 seconds and then relax. You want to repeat this stretch 3 times, making sure that you hold for a minimum of 30 seconds to get an effective stretch. The next stretch you're going to do is for your soleus, the other muscle in your calf. For this exercise, instead of keeping your knees straight, you're going to bend both of your knees, but you also want to keep your heel on the floor and your toes forward. Again, you're going to lean forward. When you do this stretch, the stretch should be felt lower down in your ankle and towards your Achilles tendon. You want to hold this stretch for a minimum of 30 seconds and repeat it for 3 repetitions. When you're done with that, you can go ahead and rest. The next exercise is going to be to strengthen your calf muscles. You want to put your feet slightly apart, hold on to a counter or tabletop for balance if needed. You're going to raise up and down on your toes, and you should repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions or until you start to feel some fatigue. Take a rest in between your sets and repeat 3 sets. The remainder of your exercises will be done on the table. For the first exercise, you'll need a belt or a towel. You're going to swing your legs straight out in front of you. Place the end of the towel or belt over the ball of your foot. You're going to keep your foot relaxed, pulling back with your arms to flex your ankle back towards you. You should feel a stretch in your calf, and you want to hold for a minimum of 30 seconds and repeat 3 repetitions. For the final 3 exercises, you need a small weight. You're going to take the weight and wrap it around your foot, making sure that it's nice and snug so that it doesn't fall off. The first exercise is going to be to strengthen your shin muscle. With your leg dangling, you're going to pull your toes up towards you and slowly lower down towards the floor. Pull up and slowly lower down towards the floor. You want to repeat this 15 times, take a rest, and do 2 more sets for a total of 3 sets of 15. You want to make sure you don't allow the weight to quickly pull you back down towards the floor. You want to slowly lower it down towards the floor. For the next exercise, if your affected is on your right, you're going to lay on your right side with your foot slightly over the edge of the table. You're going to start with your small toe towards the floor, and then you're going to bring your big toe up towards the ceiling and then slowly lower back down towards the floor. Nice and slow, especially when you're lowering. And you want to repeat 15 repetitions, rest, and do 2 more sets for a total of 3 sets of 15. For the final exercise is if you're completing it on your right foot, you're going to roll onto your left side. Again, with your foot slightly off the edge of the table. Now you're going to start with your big toe down towards the floor and bring your little toe up towards the ceiling and slowly lower back down. Again, you're going to repeat 15 repetitions, resting for about 10 to 15 seconds in between each set. 3 total sets. When you've completed the exercises, you might consider putting some ice onto your ankle if you are having any pain or swelling in the area. Should you have any pain with these exercises, you should discontinue them right away. If you continue having problems with your ankle for more than several days, you should see your physician. Thank you and have a great day.